The TVS Zest 110 is a lightweight and stylish scooter designed for riders who want comfort, practicality, and easy city performance in one compact package. With its modern body design, sharp graphics, and premium finish, the scooter immediately stands out on busy urban streets. TVS has created the Zest 110 especially for daily commuting, offering a smooth riding experience along with impressive fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. At the front, the scooter features a sleek headlamp design with attractive indicators and a sporty apron that gives it a youthful appearance. The compact body shape makes it easy to maneuver through traffic, while the lightweight frame helps riders feel more confident in crowded city conditions. The dual-tone seat and stylish alloy wheels add a premium touch to the overall design. Powering the TVS Zest 110 is a reliable 109.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled engine that delivers smooth acceleration and refined performance. The engine is tuned mainly for comfort and fuel economy, making it ideal for daily office rides, shopping trips, and short-distance travel. The scooter feels responsive at low speeds and handles city traffic with ease. The automatic CVT transmission also makes riding simple and stress-free, especially for beginners and everyday commuters. One of the biggest strengths of the TVS Zest 110 is its fuel efficiency. The scooter is known for delivering excellent mileage, helping riders save money on daily fuel expenses. Combined with its practical fuel tank capacity, the Zest 110 becomes a dependable option for regular city use without frequent fuel stops. Comfort is another area where the scooter performs very well. The long and wide seat provides enough space for both rider and passenger, while the upright riding position keeps journeys relaxed even during longer rides. The telescopic front suspension and rear hydraulic shock absorber help absorb bumps and rough road surfaces, improving overall ride quality. TVS has also focused on practicality. The scooter comes with a large underseat storage compartment that can easily hold everyday items like bags, groceries, or a helmet. There is also a front utility hook for carrying shopping bags, making it highly useful for daily activities. The lightweight handling and compact dimensions make parking very convenient in crowded areas. Safety features include synchronized braking technology that improves braking balance and control during sudden stops. The tubeless tires provide additional confidence and better road grip on city roads. The scooter remains stable during normal riding and feels easy to control even for new riders. In terms of styling, the TVS Zest 110 offers a fresh and cheerful personality. The attractive color options, smooth body panels, and modern graphics help it appeal to younger riders as well as family users looking for a practical scooter with a stylish appearance. Its compact yet elegant design gives it a premium feel in the entry-level scooter segment. The scooter is also appreciated for its low maintenance costs and dependable reliability. TVS has built the Zest 110 to handle daily commuting with minimal issues, making it a practical long-term choice for riders who need an affordable and efficient two-wheeler. Overall, the TVS Zest 110 is a smart combination of comfort, style, fuel efficiency, and practicality. It offers smooth city performance, lightweight handling, useful storage features, and reliable everyday usability. For riders searching for a dependable scooter that is easy to ride and economical to maintain, the TVS Zest 110 continues to be a strong option in the urban scooter market.